Gia, you look exhausted. Didn't you get any sleep last night? Not really. You were snoring all night and it kept me awake. I know I snore once in a while, but I never thought it was that bad. It's bad, and I am. At my weekend, I tried her green and bear it, but I can't sleep anymore. Honey, I'm so sorry, but what can I do about it? I think you should talk to your doctor and see what he hears, what he thinks. So, what did your doctor say about your snoring? Well, he said I should try to lose about 10 kilos. Uh, Otherwise, my snoring could wreak havoc on my overall health. Is there anything else you can do? He suggested I sleep on my side and buy an anti-snoring mouse guard. I can wait months until you lose weight. Your snoring is so loud it could wake the dead. Then I think it's in everyone's best interest if I sleep in the guest room for now. Since you've been exercising and wearing the mouse guard, your snoring hasn't been as bad. I can feel the difference from losing a few kilos. I was actually starting to come to terms with the idea that I'd be married to a snorer for the rest of my life. I'm glad you said something when you did. It must have been hard to bite your tongue for so long. It was terrible. At least now I can dip it in the bud before it ends up affecting my lifespan. You look well rested. I am. My sleep app said I only snored for 5 minutes last night. That's amazing. Snoring creates a vicious cycle where I'm too tired to exercise. It causes me to gain weight and snore more, leaving me every more tired. I'm proud of you for exercising even though you're so tired and I know you will keep it up. After the doctor told me about the side effects of long-term snoring on my health, I was determined to fix it. Hey, did you just run here from home? You're sweating a lot. No, I'm just nervous. I want to ask Cassandra out, but I'm afraid she'll say no. Haven't you two been friends for like 5 years? That's the problem. I'm afraid I might be in the friend zone with her. I mean, sometimes it feels like we are flirting, but maybe I'm wrong. There's only one way to find out. You just have to take the plunge. What if she says no? Can we still be friends? Miranda, how can I tell if Sandra likes me or not? You can tell by her body language. Does she cross her arms or avoid eye contact? No need, but I'm scared that she thinks about me as a brother. I have an idea. I'll watch you two interact and then I'll tell you what I observed. I would put my mind at ease if no, I wasn't making a huge mistake. I think Sandra really likes you. She's just waiting for you to take the initiative and ask her out. You don't think she'll turn me down? Look, I'm a girl, so I think I can tell when I go or guy. I'll take your word for it. I have probably been overthinking it anyway. Exactly. Do you know where you wanna take her on your date? Yeah, she's really into orchids, so I wanna take her to the botanical garden and then to a nice restaurant nearby. Guess what? I asked Sandra out on a date and she said yes. That's exciting. I guess you took my advice when I said you should be yourself. I was pretty nervous, but when Sandra said yes, she told me that she'd been hoping I'd ask her out for months. Did you ask her out over the phone? No, we were at the cafe. I said, you know what would be a great date? Then I described the every evening I had in mind. That was pretty smooth.